Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to update software via USB. Sometimes if you want to update your software via Wi-Fi, you go to the settings, enable auto update or go to update software, and your TV is searching for the software update but can't find it. It's because sometimes regional distributor doesn't give access to newest software to your TV. What you have to do is go to the Samsung store, Samsung website, search for your TV and then download the update remotely, manually. If you've got the update downloaded, you have to unpack it and copy it to USB pen drive. Now, when it's unpacked, you have to simply plug your pen drive to the TV. Let me do it right now. And as you can see, my TV has automatically searched for the software update. Right now, my TV has the newest update, as you can see right there on the right side. But if your TV doesn't have it, it will be automatically installed from the USB. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.